Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with David in the Kitchen. And today I'd like to show you how I made this nice, good Pear Crisp. Very easy to do. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, we're going to start with 3 cans of pears. And you want to strain them as best you can. Okay, we're going to have 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Try not to splash it everywhere. And get all that in there. Okay, you want a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and then you want 2/3 cups of sugar, and then you want 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And then what we're going to do is we're going to whisk this all together. Make sure this gets in very well. This is going to be our filling. Yeah, see, that's going to be our filling right there. Stick of butter. Room temperature. And then we're going to add in about 3 to 4 cups of flour. Okay. And then we're going to put in, or we're going to mash this well together. Okay, next you want 3 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, you want 3/4 cups of sugar. Okay, this will come along nicely. Okay, what I want to do is I want to put this into this mic or in here. Top filling, put this all over the top. Okay, and we're gonna pop this into the oven for 350 Fahrenheit and for about 45 minutes or until it's done. Okay, take a look at that. Look at that. Pear Crisp, delicious, easy to make. I'm gonna let this cool down because you see where it's piping hot, real bubbly. Boy, it smells good. Come back in a little bit. Okay, we're gonna do a taste test on this. Look at that. Looky there. That is so delicious. I want to thank you for watching. I want to subscribe my channel, and if you do something, hit that bell. Don't miss an episode of my videos. And y'all have a wonderful day.